Hi guys, this is Tacos and Tandoori TNT Quickies. Today, chimichurri a la Mexican style. 100 grams coriander, 1 cup of olive oil, cooking olive oil, chili flakes, little bit of pepper, sea salt, garlic. These are 3 huge garlics. You can also use 6 of the normal cloves. This is balsamic vinegar. We're only gonna need 1 spoon of that. And a fresh chili. These and these are optional. Now we're gonna chop it up and put it in together. Table's moving like crazy. Show that?
Yes.
See that?
And they're juicy.
This you can find normally also in supermarket or your Chinese shop. Sometimes they have super garlic. It's called super garlic. I don't know why it's called super garlic.
What's that? It's for garlic.
Ah, all right. I do 2 at a time because I'm pro. I'm just trying to make this quickie, okay? Yeah. Garlic doesn't make you cry, unlike onions. It makes you enjoy and strong. You're gonna love this recipe. It's one of my favorite things. You can put it on fucking anything.
You're getting down for the viewers, right?
I'm getting down there.
You're getting down on your knees.
I might have put too much garlic, but we can always use it for our next dish.
Oh man, there's never too much garlic.
I did say this is the spicier version than the normal Argentinian stuff. Insert wanker word here. There goes all our Argentinian fans. Okay. So, finely chopped garlic, as fine as you can. Could go finer. I like it like that. I like the pieces, how it releases the garlic. You could also do a garlic press if you're lazy like that. But since I use so much garlic, I thought it's just faster to just chop it all up, right? And all in.
All in.
This is a pepper ball. We love this gadget. I'm more or less gonna wing that amount of pepper. It's just
You just twist it to
just twist it. Okay.
That's a really rough.
It's a really cool one, yeah. Oil first.
Olive oil, huh?
Olive oil. The cooking type that is not so strong in flavor. That's important for my recipe. Chili flakes. This is optional, but I like my stuff spicy.
What sort of chilies is this?
This is it's a bit like this red pepperoncino, but dried. I put this. You can put a fresh one as well, or double it up. I like to put both. We'll hack this up and throw it in as well. It's gonna be spicy, this one.
Nice. I like it spicy.
Okay. Might need more oil though. Probably. Mix it up. Mix it up first before putting it into the mortar with some salt. Just that it's easier to mix with the pesto. Okay. Salt in.
Sea salt in. That's good.
Good.
Now,
Now I'm gonna throw everything in. Garden cooking.
yes.
Let's just smash it a little bit.
Yeah, smash it.
Okay. Blasting. Balsamic.
Like 1 tablespoon.
Yes. Secret ingredient. Can use. I'm not gonna show the brand here, but it's balsamic, cream of balsamic. It's a bit sweeter. Gets a little sweetness to it. If you don't have aged balsamic, you can. If you have aged balsamic, you don't need to use both. But if you don't, then use 1 and 1. And that's my touch.
All right. So that's the loco touch.
Voila. Le
Loco chimichurri.
Chimiloco.
Chimiloco.
Yeah, there we
yes.
You let this. You're gonna cover it. Put it in the fridge. 1 hour, 2 hours. Even the next day, it's gonna taste even better. Marinate your cheese in there, or your meat or something. The meat not too long, but the cheese can stay overnight. And the next day you're just gonna like have orgasms when you try it. I swear.
That's the orgasm.
That's TNT Quickies for you guys. See you later.